of my Microloc installation. I got a haircut or trim on Wednesday. I would say I got about 4 to 6 inches cut off. Had some really straggly ends. Sorry I didn't take you guys along for that. But let's see if I can get it. I have more shape and it looks fuller, but you can tell. Let's see how much. There we are. Okay. Oh, waistline. Today is the day. Today is the day. Today is the day. Today is the day. Last day of loose natural hair. Look at my shrinkage. My stylist is taking a bathroom break, so I'm gonna sneak some footage. I can't see that. Let's turn around. Period. It's giving very much Jerry curl. But it's wet right now, so. But yeah, it's giving very much Jerry curl. Happy though, but this is how far we are. I want to apologize for the quality of this clip, but the purpose of this clip is just to show you that eventually I needed 3 people to help finish my install. At this point in time, it was like 10 o'clock at night, and we had started at 8 in the morning. So she got other people to help to hurry the process.
On August 9th, 2005, Casey gives birth to Kaylee Marie Anthony.
Very much so.
I was the first
Last 2 twists.
Hallelujah. Kaylee reminded me a lot of Casey, and I think that's where my attachment to her was just it was reminding me of
16 hours later.
reliving.
I know.
Yeah,
Oh
having
my
Casey
gosh. It's crazy.
16 of
Better
them
understanding
things.
of the
They got the
family
last 2
dynamic,
twists.
Investigators focus in on a missing child.
So at that point, they notified the on-call missing persons detective, Corporal Yuri Melich. So Corporal Melich responds to the scene. That's where he picks up the investigation. Casey tells Detective Melich that she dropped her daughter off at the babysitter's a month ago.
Almost to the end.
The babysitter refused to return her daughter.
Oh yeah, you would have definitely called
The
the
police are absolutely shocked.
If the
Obviously, this
babysitter
is a
ain't gonna
bizarre
turn you
story.
over.
This is not a story that you hear every day. Typically, when
Oh, tell them we done.
You called me.
Children cases. They don't
16 hours later, y'all. We are
We're
done with these beautiful. Look, we can't even see your scalp. Beautiful micro twist. I don't know how many are in there. I don't even care. 16 hours later, Dr. D is complete. I got so many doctors and nurses that graced my chair. I feel so honored.
From Orlando, Florida, the Mecca for children.
All right, we'll let you go home to your husband. Wave to the people. We made it.
Y'all, this was immediately afterwards. It was giving very much plucked chicken. This was a few days later. It started to fill out some and volume began to start. The next few photos is from about 1 month in. Look at the volume. Good morning. Today is Retie Day. So if anyone has ever had Sisterlocs or Microlocks, you know what this style means. This means I just washed my hair. I took the little bands off the ends. So I braid and band my hair. Then I go in to get my roots retied in about 3 hours. So very excited. I'm going to take you guys along and get as much footage as I can. Hopefully this session doesn't take really long. When I had these installed, I initially wanted to have my roots interlocked. So I wanted my hair twisted and my roots interlocked. But she was just like, I don't think it'll interlock right now because of my hair texture. So she wanted me to wear them, allow them to frizz up and stuff real good. And then in a month, come back and have the roots interlocked. So fingers crossed. I do have some slippage. And I was texting my loctician frantically like, oh my God, I got twists coming loose. I'm trying to retwist them. She was like, don't fret, that's normal to have slippage this early. Don't even worry about it. So the whole back row and some of the second row on this side has come loose. And some around the edges here have come loose. So that's where we are. I'll see y'all in a little bit. I'm in the bathroom because I can't film, but I don't know if I can show y'all to see how a month.
Or such a smart woman, at least academically, was completely stupid.
In 2013, Katie is found guilty of second-degree murder, conspiracy, and forgery. She's sentenced to life.
All right, y'all. I'm just getting back from the salon. Sorry for the poor lighting, but I just wanted to show y'all the end results. My very first time seeing the parts since having locks. You guys, I love this lock life. I just do. I really, really, really do. Put your questions below. I'm gonna do a Q&A video sometime soon, but just drop your questions below in the comment section. Let me know what you think about the locks. Yeah. Let me know what videos you would like to see in the future. Yeah, just post your questions below for a future Q&A. Alrighty, you guys. Thanks for watching.